Making money online is not easy, but there are options you can explore. Freelancing is one option where you can offer your skills on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Another option is participating in online surveys or market research studies through websites like Swagbucks or SurveyJunkie. Affiliate marketing is another way to earn money by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring or create courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Starting an online store and selling products through dropshipping or creating your own products is another option. If you enjoy creating content, you can monetize your work through platforms like YouTube, Medium, or Patreon. However, it's important to remember that success takes time, effort, and dedication. Be cautious of get-rich-quick schemes and do your research before committing to any online money-making opportunity. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You can provide services such as writing, graphic design, web development, or digital marketing. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate programs and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral links. Amazon Associates is a well-known affiliate program.